I'll see you even if you go to heaven. I promise there a place. Look forward to it. Under the coffee tree. Promised the 8-year-old girl, Yuika Taniguchi. One day, my favorite grandmother said, I'm going to heaven soon. No, I don't want to say goodbye to everyone I know ministry. Then from somewhere, I smelled the good aroma of coffee. There came the angels. She guided me to show me something. There are many coffee trees and various animals stand one by one under the trees. Here, I decided on the rabbit tree. Let me up under this coffee tree. Here I can have my grandmother's favorite coffee any time of the day right away. Anyone can enjoy drinking such wonderful coffee with everyone. Adults and children alike are all smiling. There are no fight, no crying children. Wow, Grandma is already under the coffee tree. Wait for me under the coffee tree. Grandma, see you under the coffee tree.